Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Bahria College Hanif campus online chemistry lecture for class 10 Federal Board, and I am your chemistry teacher Ms. Sajda Iftikhar. Today we will learn the topic from the chapter number 12, that is hydrocarbon. Today our topic is from the alkenes. You have studied in your previous classes that the structure of alkenes, and you have already learned the preparation of alkenes. In today's lecture, we will learn properties of alkenes and uses of alkenes. Learning objectives. At the end of the lecture, students, you will be able to describe physical and chemical properties of alkenes, and you will be able to write a chemical equation to show the reactions of alkenes with halogens. You will also be able to write a chemical equations for Bayer's test. And you will know the uses of different alkenes. Physical properties of alkenes. Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons. First three members, which are ethene, propene, and butenes, are gases. And the carbon number 5 to carbon number 15's hydrocarbons of alkenes are liquids, and higher are solids. They are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent such as alcohol. They have one or more double bond. That's why they are unsaturated hydrocarbon, because the carbon valency is not fully utilized by hydrogen. Chemical properties of alkenes. First, we will discuss the reactions of halogens, which are addition reactions. Halogens, the members of halogen may be chlorine and bromine, can add to the double bond of the alkenes. For example, when chlorine molecule reacts with the ethene, one chlorine atom attach with the one carbon atom and the second will attach to the other carbon atom. For example, you can see in this equation, ethene react with the chlorine. What will happen? Chlorine atom attach to the first carbon atom in the ethene and the second carbon atom, and it will form the 1,2-dichloroethane. You can see ethene is unsaturated compound, and it will, after addition reaction, it will convert it into the saturated state. Other example is reaction of bromine with ethene. Bromine atom react with the first carbon atom. It will attach to the first carbon atom of ethene, and second atom of bromine react with the or attach with the second carbon atom of ethene, and it will convert it into the saturated compound, which is 1,2-dibromoethene. Actually, this reaction of ethene with bromine is also used for the test for unsaturation. When bromine is added in alkene, its reddish brown color will disappear, and this discolorization is used to test presence of double bond and triple bond. It means we can test either the compound is alkene or alkyne by using bromine water. And chemical equation, as I have mentioned before, ethene react with bromine, it will convert it into the saturated compound, that is 1,2-dibromethane. Reaction with KMnO4, which is also called Bayer test. When alkane is treated with dilute alkaline solution of aqueous solution of KMnO4, 1%. Addition of hydroxyl group occur across the double bond. Actually, the pink color of KMnO4 solution is discharged during the reaction, and this reaction is known as Bayer test. This reaction is also used as test for alkenes, and you can see that the chemical equations show ethene react with KMnO4 in dilute form. It will convert it into ethylene glycol, in which 2-hydroxyl group is attached to the 2 adjacent carbon atom in ethene, and this will convert it into the saturated compound. This ethylene glycol is used as an anti-freezing agent, and also we obtain magnesium oxide and potassium hydroxide. When we use potassium permanganate to test the compound which contains the double bond, what happened? Its pink color will be discharged and we obtain brown sludge of manganese oxide, and so this test will be possible for positive for the alkenes, or you can say for the double bond. If there is no bond in the no double bond in the hydrocarbon, what will happen? The pink color will not of KMNO4 will not decolorize. So it you can say this the test is negative. Other reactions, ethylene or ethene, when react with the dilute solution of KMNO4, which provide oxygen, because KMNO4 is oxidizing agent, it will provide two hydroxyl group which attached to the two adjacent carbon atom in the compound. It will form ethylene glycol. And other compound, propylene, when react with the alkaline solution of the KMNO4, what will form? Propylene glycol. Now, uses of alkenes. Ethylene or ethene is the most important commercial organic chemical. It is used in the manufacture of polythene, which is common plastic. Ethylene glycol is used as an antifreeze in an automobile radiator, which is product of ethene. Alkenes are natural ripening agents for the fruits and the vegetables. Now come to the home assignment. Write chemical equations for the reactions of alkene with halogens. How can you distinguish between alkenes and alkanes? Question number 3. Explain bar test with a chemical equation. Question number 4. Write down the uses of alkenes. Thank you students for listening, and Allah Hafiz.